Somehow you want to make it all sound really bad. Let me just tell you this. There's nothing bad there. There's no there.
This lawyer has sued more than 1,300 businesses for ADA violations. His name is Peter Strojnik, and he works for a group called Advocates for Individuals with Disabilities. We've been telling you about them for the last couple of weeks now. Tonight, ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing exposes mistakes in the cases and why he's now under state bar investigation.
Joanne Burgess doesn't think much of the lawyer who sued her and demanded thousands to settle.
Pretty ticked off. I've got a stronger word, but I won't use it.
She owns this building. Her current tenant, a coffee shop. Their violation, they didn't have this van sign.
I felt that what they were doing was totally and completely unethical, so I wrote a letter to the state bar.
ABC 15 has confirmed the state bar has at least 2 open investigations against attorney Peter Strojnik.
2 of the defendants became very grumpy. So what do grumpy people do? They try to intimidate.
You think it's intimidation?
Oh, yeah.
Legal experts say while Strojnik's methods filing ADA lawsuits are controversial, it doesn't mean they're illegal. But there would be an issue if he's made mistakes, and our investigation found he has.
I look at every case individually.
Found a couple you've gotten wrong, had to drop.
Yeah, I know.
For example, the owner of this building sued twice because Strojnik didn't realize he already sued them. In this parking lot, a judge tossed cases against multiple businesses because they were sued even though they don't own or control the lot. He even sued this patch of dirt. Apparently he mistook this dusty parcel of land for a neighboring location.
And meet Sharon Olson.
It's a shame.
She owns a wedding and party rental shop in Mesa and says there's a major conflict of interest in her case.
I can't believe Peter is suing us.
Peter Strojnik sued her, even though records show he set up her business.
What are these? These are
My article of incorporation that Peter Strojnik wrote. Here is his signature.
So Sharon wrote Strojnik to point out the conflict, but someone else with Advocates for Individuals with Disabilities called back with an offer.
And he said that they would drop the lawsuit if I would talk to their PR person.
Instead, she's making a different call.
Well, I'm actually calling the state bar today.
And all of this isn't the first time Strojnik's been brought to the state bar's attention.
How many times have you been sanctioned, reprimanded, disciplined by the state bar before?
The state bar, you know,
Let's answer that first, and then we'll move on to the
No,
questions.
it's a wonderful question because state bar and I have a wonderful relationship. Mm-hmm. We entered into a friendly agreement that I would take 30 days off to deal with my
suspended.
You can call it suspended.
The state bar did a 30-day suspension in 2011 for conduct called frivolous, prejudicial, and insulting.
The question I had is how many previous state bar actions have they taken against you?
I think that was it.
The correct answer is 3. In fact, it's clearly marked on the State Bar's website. And in the last few days, we've learned there are even more businesses that have filed new complaints. Now, you can find all this information on a special website dedicated to this story. It's abc15.com/lawsuits. In the newsroom, Dave Biskobing, ABC 15 News.